StoryNest.
Bolt, a sturdy blue robot with bright, curious eyes, stood beside Spark, a cheerful yellow robot whose antenna bobbed with excitement. Their colorful workshop buzzed with gentle whirs and clicks as they surveyed a scattered collection of metal plates, wires, and glowing orbs. Sunlight streamed through the large window, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. "Okay, Spark," Bolt's voice whirred with enthusiasm. "Today's the day we build RoboBud, our super-duper robot friend." Spark clapped his metallic hands together, a happy chime echoing in the workshop. "Yes, I can't wait. What should we build first, Bolt?" He bounced on his treads, eager to get started. Their workbench was overflowing with tools of all shapes and sizes, from tiny screwdrivers to a large magnetic crane. Colorful charts with robot designs hung on the walls, sparking their imaginations. Bolt pointed to a large rectangular metal piece. "Let's start with RoboBud's main body. It needs to be strong and sturdy so he can give the best hugs." He reached for a powerful wrench, but Spark zoomed over, grabbing a smaller, shiny spanner. "I want to help with the body too," Spark declared, his voice full of enthusiasm. Bolt hesitated, looking at the small spanner in Spark's hand. "But this big piece needs a really strong wrench. Are you sure you can help with that?" Spark nodded firmly, his antenna wiggling. "We can both work on it. You can hold it steady, and I can tighten the bolts on this side." Bolt considered this. Working together, it sounded like a good idea. "Okay, Spark, let's do it." He positioned the large wrench, and Spark carefully worked on the smaller bolts. They worked side by side, their different tools clicking and whirring in harmony. Soon the large metal piece felt solid and secure. "We did it!" Spark exclaimed, giving Bolt a high five with a metallic clink. Next, they needed to attach the legs. Bolt found two long, sturdy metal rods. "These will be perfect," he said, holding them up. Spark spotted two shorter, springy rods. "But what about these? Maybe RoboBud wants to bounce when he walks."